Good morning, guys. Katatapos lang sa work, pauwi na rin. And today, I finish early because I need to go family bonding in Stockholm. We're going to Solna, guys, with my family. Because my partner sister, she is inviting us to watch her. She have competition in Solna, guys. It's very foggy now, look, because it's very cold. It started to be winter here in Sweden, like, you know. I hope it's not coming early, the snow. I hope it's coming on December, like that, later, not very early. But now it's really cold. Look at that. It's supposed to be a very nice place, but now it's like a zombie living here, you know. Yeah, and we will see, guys. I will update later, because we're going to Stockholm with my kids, in my sambo. Yes. Yeah, I will show you where the way I live. And look at that. It's very nice here, but now, you know, it's Sunday. There is no cleaning in the road. They always clean, like Monday to Friday. You know, they always pick this leaves in the ground. The leaves is in the ground now, because look at that. It's yellow. It's gonna be orange, but it looks nice. It's just so when it's snowing coming, the trees no leaves at all. It's like they're standing, but looks like dead. But I miss snow, but you know, I don't like when it's very cold. I miss snow, but I wish to be just like lagom. What do you call lagom? You know, like neutral, not so cold, not so warm, like, you know. But in Sweden, it's like that. We have 4 seasons here: spring, winter, autumn, summer, like that. It's not like in Asia. We have only 2 seasons, like summer, winter. But winter is just raining there, but here in winter it's snowing, you know. Yeah, it looks nice. This is the way. This is my apartment. Look, I live there. I live out there, the last one, you know, in the upper, like very high, like floor number 5, the last floor. We live there. It's pretty nice, this apartment, when it's weather is nice. But now it's weather, it's gray, because it's like that when it coming winter. It's gray. It's like depressing, but it's better life here anyways, even we have this kind of weather. So yeah, I am here now, guys. I'm so close, so I will say bye bye and see you soon again. Keep safe everyone and thank you for watching.